guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, it's raining outside. I'm waiting for Gonzalo to get out of work. So I thought I would film some videos for you guys. I know one of them that I was talking about in my last video, or a few videos ago, I wanted to talk to you guys about the order that I purchased from the online clothing website called Romwe. So I have a few things to say about this. Let me get comfortable. So I ordered from Romwe. It's also called Shine, if anyone knows what that is. It has two different names. So basically what it is, online clothing store, bathing suits, tops, bottoms, jewelry, shoes, things like that. It's an online website to order clothes and shoes from. So anyways, I went onto this website. I had heard a lot about it through social media, so I went on it, wanted to try it out. I did need like shorts and a t-shirt and things for the 4th of July and stuff like that. So I did order some. I ordered these blue cutoffs, and then I ordered 3 high-waisted leggings shorts, the short leggings, and then I ordered a 2-piece set as pajamas. It's like a tank crop top with a pair of shorts for the summer. So I ordered that. It took about 8 days to come, which is exactly what it said. It said it would arrive within like 6 to 8 days. It took 8 days to come. It came through USPS, United States Postal Service, and nothing was damaged. Each item was in its own package, which I thought was very nice. For the 4 pairs of shorts, the t-shirt, I did order a t-shirt if I didn't say that already. The t-shirt and the pajamas, I spent $46. So I thought that was pretty good. Mainly because I got jean cutoffs, I got the set of pajamas, and then 3 other pairs of shorts. I thought it was pretty good. But everything came in its own package. I tried on the cutoffs. And they're jeans. Like, they're not like any weird material. Like, they're jeans. And I have not bought a pair of jeans since I lost weight. Like, I have not bought anything, like any type of clothes at all since I lost weight. I was just using old clothes that I had that fit me, and so I was just really nervous to get this stuff in the mail because I did not know if it was gonna fit. I literally used the measurements that were online, like, to pick the sizes. I measured my waist, I measured my thighs, everything. So yeah, I got a medium in those. I got a medium in the leggings. These shorts, I tried them on, buttoned them up, zippered them up. They fit perfectly. I know that's not what you were expecting, but yeah, they fit perfectly. And I'm one of those girls with the big thighs and the tiny waist, so it's really hard to find a pair of jeans because the size difference between my thighs, hip, and waist are all totally different, and it's really, really hard to find something that fits. But they fit so good. They were a little bit stretchy, but not too stretchy. They still had the jean material. They were ripped and frayed at the bottom. Perfect. I bought a small in the t-shirt. I tried that on. It was perfect. Absolutely perfect. The pajamas, I bought a small in because they're just cotton, and I really don't like loose pajamas. I like tighter pajamas. So they fit perfectly as I wanted them to. As for the leggings, they came high-waisted. I got them high-waisted, and the material is great. It was like it wasn't cotton, it was that stretchier, like, spandex material. But they are so high-waisted, it almost comes all the way up to here. So it's not even just like a little bit high-waisted. They're like super, super high-waisted. And I've never tried high-waisted before because I'm a short person. I'm only 5'2". So I thought high-waisted would be a little bit weird. But they fit pretty good. I just like roll them down a little bit, which is really annoying. I'm probably not gonna buy high-waisted again just for that reason. It's just because I'm short. It's not because it looks bad or anything. I'm just not happy with the style and how it feels on my skin, because it's legit like coming up here because my torso is like this big. So that was the only gripe I had about that. I was gonna do a try-on haul, but I'm not really comfortable with that right now. Yeah, I lost a lot of weight and I'm a lot skinnier than I was before, but I'm not comfortable with showing myself like that online yet. So yeah, that's not gonna happen. So I just wanted to tell you guys about it. I am gonna link the website in the description box below. You guys can definitely check it out. The sizes are pretty spot on. Like, if you think you know what size you are, you're probably that size on this website. But yeah, I would definitely order from them again. I'm thinking of getting a bathing suit from them, because again, since I've lost weight, I've not bought a bathing suit ever. Nor have I really even been swimming, but yeah. I'm thinking about buying a swimsuit from there as well. I didn't buy any shoes. No particular reason why, I just didn't, nor jewelry. But those will be my next purchases from them, and we'll see how that goes. Because those are two totally different topics, shoes and bathing suits. So we'll see how those fit once I place an order there for that. But again, I'm gonna link it below to see if you guys like it. If you want to check it out, let me know. But Romwe.com so far is definitely Shannon approved. I definitely approve that website. It's cheap. Material is not shit. It's actually pretty good material, shockingly. But yeah, that is what I think of Romwe, aka Shine. I'll link the websites in the description box below. Hit the like button if you like this video. Turn on that notification bell to be notified for when I post every video every day. And I will see you guys in my next one.